Hello friends, what's up? So today we are going to make a crystal of hexagonal closed packing. So to make this structure we need 14 atoms of 7 holes, 6 atoms of 2 holes, 1 atom of 5 holes and 3 atoms of 1 hole. And in the connectors we need 38 long connectors and 3 short connectors. So first we take this atom which has 7 holes. Now we take one long connector and attach to the atom, and we connect all the connectors in the 6 holes of the atom. Like this, we are creating first layer. Now connect this 7 holes atom in the end of the connector. So this star-like structure will be made. Now we take another long connector and attach like this. To make a shape of hexagon. So these 2 layers we have created. Now we make the middle layer. For the middle layer we need these 2 long connectors and 1 atom which has 2 holes, and connect like this. So 6 replicas we will make. Now we take one layer and attach like this. So for the center part we take this atom which has 5 holes and connect these short connectors like this, and 2 long connectors above and below like this. Now we left with these 3 atoms which has 1 hole. Connect to these 3 connectors. So this middle layer we will attach here. Now you just need to attach this layer above the remaining structure. So this is our hexagonal closed packing crystal. For more videos, please subscribe our channel. Thank you. Bye bye.